What's going on, Mullen fam? We are back with another video. We're going to talk about Mullen stock. You already know. What's that saying go though? Look how they massacred my boy today. Down below 10 cents. Mullen Automotive filed a civil complaint for defamation against .LA in the Superior Court of Delaware. The lawsuit alleges that an article published by .LA on March 22nd, 2023, authorized by David Schultz, contained false and defamatory statements about Mullen and the terms of a settlement agreement in a civil action. The bottom line behind that is Mullen Automotive's defamation lawsuit against .LA emphasizes the significance of responsible journalism and accurate reporting, particularly in the rapidly growing EV industry. The outcome of this case could potentially impact how the companies handle similar situations and reinforce the need for transparency and accountability in media coverage. As the company continues to develop its EV portfolio and expand its operations, maintaining a strong and credible reputation will be crucial for the company's success in the competitive electric vehicle market. Now, when I saw this, I was thinking to myself, why did they come after Investor Place like this? That was one of the things that came to my mind, because Investor Place is constantly talking bad about Mullen. They're saying 3 reasons why I wouldn't touch Mullen stock with a 10-foot pole, 7 EV stocks to sell as competition heats up, why the Mullen GT supercar won't save Mullen, and many other bashing statements and headlines on Mullen Automotive stock. We've also heard 7 stocks to sell before they die, and Mullen was included with that as well. So .LA is a Los Angeles, California media company that does cover tech and startup news. I guess it could be a positive thing that Mullen Automotive is addressing LA or .LA about the false article writing against the company. But what about the short and distort involved media outlets such as Investor Place that is doing this on a consistent basis? And let's not forget that on July 8th of 2022, Mullen Automotive did hire Kingsdale Advisors Services ahead of the shareholder meeting in late July, and they were hired to increase voter participation, ensure a smooth meeting, and get Mullen's resolutions passed. In addition, the Canadian firm, founded in 2003, will also serve the EV maker with its media training and strategic communication service. But Kingsdale Advisors was not just hired for the shareholder meeting back in July of 2022. It says having a relevant firm like Kingsdale will sure help the company to improve its communication and the transparency needed so that investors can believe in the future of the company and invest long term. So what is really going on with Kingsdale Advisors right now when they're supposed to be assisting Mullen Automotive in properly communicating with its shareholders and ensuring transparency across the board within the company? Almost 500 million shares traded on the day, and 300 million approximately did not even hit the lit exchange. It went off exchange into secondary markets, and you can see how it reflects here on the charts. The Darkpool activity has significantly increased on this downtrend, which is the yellow line in Mullen Automotive stock. Also, looking down here at the data, you see that March 28th reflects 67% off exchange volume, which is the highest out of all of March off exchange data numbers. Why did they put 67% off exchange? They really wanted Mullen Automotive to break below 10 cents. In my previous video, we talked about Mullen Automotive possibly having to do an emergency reverse stock split below 10 cents. However, keep in mind that this is the end of March, where deliveries for various customers for the Class 1 EV cargo vans are expected to be announced to the public, to the media, to the shareholders. Yes, Mullen is under 10 cents, But one piece of news with great numbers revolving around deliveries of these Class 1 vans could change the atmosphere right there on the spot. And I think shorts know this as well. I think David Mishry knows what is going on as well, because it's been since July 26th of last year, Muln Automotive has been underneath $1 per share. And Muln Automotive has not initiated a reverse stock split. Let's knock on wood. But you get what I'm saying. I don't think the company wants to go ahead and do a reverse stock split because of potential news and catalysts that are coming for Muln Automotive. And shorts have retail against the wall, obviously. As of right now, they continue to push the stock price down and take advantage of the negative sentiment around Muln. Right now, it is up to the company to make something shake or deliver on its promises, because what it's looking like, shorts are not going to have to cover if Muln continues to fall. And then if they initiate a reverse stock split, they can just continue shorting down. So something needs to happen within the company. Something needs to be announced, significant, operational wise, revenue wise, to cause shorts to go ahead and pull that trigger and start buying back Muln Automotive shares. That's all I got for this video. Hope y'all find this information valuable. Stay charged up out there. Don't feed the fear, and I'll catch y'all the next one. I'm gone.
Go. Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through.